Hello friends, this is Dr. Shashi Agarwal. I welcome you all. Hoping you all are doing well. So today's topic is objective of business, which is relevant for the student of plus one commerce who are studying business studies. It is also relevant for the students BBA first semester who are studying BOMP, Business Organization Management Practices. If you find my effort useful, please do like my video, share it, and also subscribe my channel Shashi Agarwal. Before moving to the topic, this is my app, which could be downloaded from the Google Play Store. Link I will be sharing in the description box. This is Adusum app, which is relevant for commerce, economics, and management. Even you could find the topic related to business study for plus one under the free study material. The methodology here is through live lectures, recorded lectures, descriptive as well as summarized notes they are shared with the students. Test series depending upon the nature of the test, whether it is a descriptive or in the MCQ form. Both are shared with the students, and the doubt session will also be there to remove your doubts. Objective of the business. Why do we set business? There is some logic, there is some objective. Objective is a goal for the achievement of which all the efforts are directed. Because why do we set up a business? That is the reason for the existence of an organization. Objective provide direction, and it is served as a reference point whether the business is doing well or not. According to Peter Drucker, objectives are needed in every area. Their performance and result directly and vitally affect survival and prosperity of our business. The main objective of business is to earn profit because profit is needed for the survival, for the expansion, for the diversification, for the further growth of the business. So there are other objectives also. Economic objectives are there, social objectives are there, human or individual objectives are there, national objectives are there, which we'll be doing one by one. Economic objective, definitely when we set up a business, we want to earn profit. Economic objective could be to earn profit for the purpose of survival, for the purpose of growth, for the production of quality goods, for creating market, for bringing technological improvement, for bringing innovation and the optimum utilization of the resources. Why do we set business? Because we want to earn profit. So profit is the basic incentive for which the business is set. And profit is needed because there is a lots of uncertainty which our business faces. There could be doom also, there could be depression also. And under the depression, the profits are very less and the demand is very less. So we need profit to face this cycle. And there may be change in demand pattern, and there may be fluctuation in money market due to which we will be having less access to the funds. So profits, they become handy during such situations. Business need for profit not only for existence, but when the business wants to grow, the business wants to carry on its expansion activities, diversification activities, the business require profits. Even the investor who has put money in the business, he also want adequate return on their investments. The worker who are working in our organization, they also want high wages. The entrepreneur, the person who took the initiative of setting up the business, he also need money for reinvesting for the growth of the business. Survival. A business faces a lot of competition from other business units. It faces various challenges and threats. And it will only be possible when the economic position of the business is sound. Because if it has profit, then it becomes very necessary because if the business survive, if the organization has sufficient funds, and when there is a lot of competition, the objective is to survive. And survival will be possible when the economic position of the business is sound, is able to face the worst situation successfully. Growth. A business will stay in the market if it is able to grow with the passage of time. growth is an important objective for every business, because when we set up a business, the objective is to grow our business. Here, the business is it at this level, and we want to take at this level, and it will only possible if the business is earning proper profits. Because the business is earning proper profits, then the business will be having sufficient funds to finance its growth and expansion activities. Production of quality goods. The profit could be earned when there is some exchange of goods and services take place. The next objective is to produce more goods and sell them to consumer. The producer, he estimate the demand of goods and accordingly he produce. A businessman creates form utility because when we buy the raw material, process it, then we convert into finished product. Like we purchase timber and we convert it to furniture. So it is the form utility. Place utility, the goods they are manufactured here, but they are needed at some different place. So it creates place utility. Time utility, when the goods they are produced, but they are needed some particular time, then they're stored in grounds. Then it creates time utility. And it's when it creates goods, it's a tangible form of wealth. When we are creating goods, it's a tangible form of wealth. Creating markets. The aim of the business is to sell the products. And when we want to sell the products, we need markets. And marketing means the satisfaction to the consumer, production according to the consumer's requirement, and retaining of the consumers. And businessmen also searches for new consumer for increasing sales. An effort is made to retain old consumer by supplying them better quality at reasonable prices. The new markets they are explored to keep a steady demand for goods. An organization cannot exist until and unless it finds out the new market for its products. Technological improvement. A businessman should always make an effort to use latest methods of production. Because when the business is using the latest technology, latest production process, then it will be able to keep a check on the cost, and it will also enhance its quality. So latest technology is used for producing goods, and there's always effort to increase the production and reduce the cost. Businessmen always try new methods so that they may keep pace with the changing scenario. Innovation. Innovation means new methods of production, and we are using the latest technology. When the organization using and inventing the newer better methods, so its efficiency will enhance, its cost will be reduced, and the profit will enhance. In a competitive business environment, innovation helps in improving the profitability of the business, and the business will also have a competitive edge over its customers. Optimum utilization of the resources. Best use of man, material, machinery. The resources are limited, so they should be properly utilized. The objective is to optimum use of the resources which are limited. So proper training should be given to the employees so that they should know how to use the resources frugally, economically, and they should also keep a check by giving the training. It will also keep a check on the wastage of the resources. Social objective, because business does not exist in isolation. Business has a certain responsibility to the society. So the social objective cover the production of goods, supply of quality goods and services, cooperation with the government, generating of more employment, social service or more employment. Production of goods. The business should produce the goods which meet the demand of the society. The business should estimate the total demand, and then it should produce the things which are needed by the society. And government also undertake the work of coordinating the business activities according to the needs of the society. Supply of quality goods and services. The next social objective is to provide the quality goods which are useful for the society, which are not harmful, which are not adulterated, which are in good quality for the betterment of the society. The business should aim at consumer satisfaction. The business should not supply adulterated goods, poor in quality, unstable, which are injurious to the health of the people. It is the duty of the business to supply, study the wants and needs, and produce the goods accordingly, which will be beneficial and which will enhance the welfare of the society. Cooperation with the government. Business should cooperate with the government in helping the achieving the objective of socialistic pattern of society. The government of India has devised road both for public sector and the private sectors. And the government, when it want to enhance the welfare of the people, so it has framed the major policy for the growth and development. The business community should adopt a positive aptitude, positive approach toward the policy of the government, and it should give cooperation to the government, and it should also help in solving the national problems. Generation of more employment. When the business is set, it will be providing more employment. The expansion of business not only help in employing more person in the factory, but it has a multiplying effect because when it gives the employment, their salary will enhance, they will be going to the market, they will be demanding more goods, and it will generate more business opportunities. And the business community should plow back its profit for further expansion of business activity, which will ultimately create new job opportunities. Social service or community service focus on social responsibility of business. Society expect business should spend some parts of profit on community service, creating infrastructure. Some business houses, they are doing charitable activities. They're opening up the hospitals. They're opening up the educational institutions. Business community participating in social service program add to the reputation of the company, and it also helps in establishing the better image. And the business should also avoid those activity which generate more pollution. Environment pollution has become a major problem in all the countries. So industrial units are contributing to environment pollution by disposing of their waste in rivers, lakes, etc. So it is the moral duty of the businessman to use environment-friendly technology and control all types of pollution. Human objective. It could be welfare of employees, it could be satisfaction of consumer, it could be satisfaction of shareholder, it could be the help to the government. So welfare of the employees. The employee who are working in the organization, they should be treated as human beings. The theory that the workers, they are just machines or they should be put pressure to get more work is no longer valid because the employees who are contributing in increasing the profitability of the organization, so they should be suitably rewarded. Productivity should be linked to various incentive scheme. The business should look after the welfare of the worker. The consumer should be provided quality goods at the reasonable prices. The taste liking requirement should also be taken into consideration. Business, why do we set the business? Consumer is king. The business is meant for consumer and their satisfaction should be the main objective of the business. So responsibility of the business is to provide goods and services which are of proper quality at a reasonable prices to the consumer. Next, we will do in the next video